Let's make some pecan pie bars. We're going to do this in two parts. First part is the cookie crust. Let's do some mixing. Let's add the flour, a little bit of flour, sugar, salt, sugar, and a whole bunch of butter. All right, we're going to have to mix this till we get it like a cookie crust, crumbs. Woo! Love the mixer. She got the bigger one out. This one's making a mess, but it's doing it. I might go back to hand mixing. I don't like mixers like this. They make a mess. I think I will. Don't like. I mean, it's a little slower. But one thing, it ain't messy. All right, after making that mess, trying to make them crumbs, cookie crumbs for the bottom of this bars, it was a mess, but I had to clean it up a little bit because I just got it all over me. So now I got it mixed up really well, and now I'm going to put it in this pan and put it in the oven and for about 25-30 minutes to get this crust done. And while that's happening, I'll do part 2. So let's go ahead and put it in the pan. All right, after you get it in the pan, you spread it out, push it down. This makes the crust. Just make it. After you get it all pressed out and evenly on the bottom of the pan, let's put it in the oven for, like I said, 25-30 minutes, but keep an eye on it. All right, I'm back. This is part 2. Let's go ahead and get this stuff mixed up and get it ready so when that crust comes out of the oven, we can go ahead and pour it on there and get these pecan pie bars completed. So let's go ahead, put the sugar in, the corn syrup, get it all. Four eggs, butter, about 3 tablespoons, and some vanilla, about a teaspoon and a half. Let's go ahead and mix this up. All right, let's go ahead and add the pecans, or pecans, however you want to say it. A lot of people say pecans, a lot of people say pecan. So let's go ahead and get that mixed up. Looks good to me. Okay, set this aside because the stuff's coming out of the oven. As soon as it comes out of the oven, I'm going to put it right here and we're going to pour it on there. In about 20 seconds. So let's just go ahead and keep on mixing this up a little bit. This is the first time making this stuff, so hopefully it comes out right. It's an old recipe my grandma had. So it's ready. Let's go ahead and get it out. All right, there it is. Let's go ahead and pour this on there. Pour it out there evenly. So it looks good. Get them pecans everywhere. As soon as you get them all how you want them, spread out evenly. We're going to put it back in the oven for about 25 minutes or so. And then we'll cut them into bars and taste them. Can't wait. Like I said, this is my first time making it, so hopefully it turns out good. They're out of the oven. The pecan pie bars. Let's try one. Delicious! If you want to see more of me, more recipes, subscribe. Until next time, see ya!